think Dedi Ayaye the whole season throughout about this season Champions League, now it comes down to the final. This is the biggest night in European club competition. Now, the two teams are and then PSG and Arsenal. We have seen what they have done throughout this season. On so many occasions, so many games from the group, the qualifying rounds, league phase, right to a knockout phase. Share performance, and we will look at both teams, what their strengths are coming into this particular game. I don't like to look at final games using statistics, but football home commodity, the statistics and then the track record and also the previous performance, a good idea of what will transpire in the final. But Gabi, at this point, when you look at the Arsenal perspective, I'm for Bebre Eka say now Akaomo say England this season in European competitions, they will seal the deal. Because we saw how Aston Villa for winning Europa League, we saw it. We saw how they performed against Freiburg in the final.
Crystal
Palace. Conference League final. Yeah. We saw how they performed as well, and they won it. He said, "Aka Arsenal Champions League final," and in fact, the more difficult task, right? Who compare all the other teams, a European Cup finals from England. Arsenal have the most difficult task, and you look at PSG as well. PSG don't really know what they have done. Champions League final is very synonymous to them in the recent history. Last year, we saw what they did against Inter Milan. Scored so many goals in the final. And now, in Bebre, say, performance way there, very supernatural in terms of just to come into a final and score 5 goals there. Now, and common, sir. So it's not so distant from them what it means to play in the Champions League final. But Gabi, now the two coaches that will be on the touchline today, I will say because Mikel Arteta, Arsenal were not really that team that would have ranked them on top. Say, even give them 5 years, they will play in the Champions League final. But when you look at what he was doing, and I think Fifi has re-echoed it about building a culture in the team. When you look at the two teams, there's one thing that's very synonymous with both of them.
Okay.
Both managers, it's build the culture. And Oko organization be a well-functioning organization, be a we are saying for football cartoon chain. One thing that will get that institution to work very well is that whoever they decide to employ, say institution now, they will bind them with the right culture. A bit more results, not more share. Now, some results, even if it's not achieved in 1 year, Gabi, if they set their eyes to do something within 2, 3, 4, 5 years, trust them that because of the right culture that they have built, they'll be able to get there. Look at Mikel Arteta. The culture he has built at Arsenal. To the point that at this season, everybody began to call them Set Piece FC. But there was an identity that he built into the team. Senebeya, say, born the ball. Now, on him say, tight spaces about tight corners about gola. He will utilize the set piece in a way that will help his team to get a goal. But generally, the mentality that he has built with them, and then one say Omutimi winning Premier League, because when the going became tough, say Arsenal winning league, they proved all of us wrong. Say, even with the difficulty, even with the mentality issues, they were able to rise on the occasion and prove that they have everything that it takes to maintain their composure and win the Premier League. Gabi, let's not be too surprised if that right culture that they have built, we will see it culminated tonight at Budapest, because Arsenal have done everything right to come to this point in their history. Say, we need the first UCL. And I believe, say, there are times in football there are surprises. Ebi wa omu nyindi. They said PSG is the favorite, and I'll say it. Why? Because they have played in the UCL final just last season. So coming into this season, the fact that almost a Champions League final, no, everybody would have said, say, they are more familiar with the terrain, they are more familiar with the nerves, they will know how to put themselves together, prepare very well for this particular UCL final. But you never know, there could be surprises. There could be surprises. So be on share board the mamina. I'm say enkokakra. There could be surprises. And good. Luis Enrique as well. When you look at Luis Enrique and the profile, what he has built at PSG, and whatever they have done in the UCL last season, almost say there this season in terms of the final performance. Gabi, you can tell that there's going to be a really heated contest in that final today. One team on one side with Arteta as their manager, who have built a good team over the last 6 years and have brought it to the final. PSG with Luis Enrique on the other hand, who have played in the final just last year, won by an overwhelming scoreline, and almost the other final. No?
So for now, say Luis Enrique, no the contest of coaches or moya there.
Yeah.
Oh, but now Luis Enrique din. So now, say Mikel Arteta per se odu sa level now. This game is so the prove it. And the cherry are saying, I say no. That dear na mo mutim no. Mensuma arrive it. Mensuma do baby. So admit and acknowledge. Say she see the Arteta. Mensumi was seeing him.
And I like the description you have just given, because when you also look at both teams, they won their domestic leagues. PSG are winning. In fact, it is no news for PSG to win the League One. It is not surprising. But Arsenal winning the Premier League after 22 years, and Arteta now entering the conversations of managers who have the potential to rise to the very top. This is his chance to cement it. He said, "You're okay." Because Dabi, you can imagine if tonight you ever this a game number within 90 minutes, and 90 minutes is soon. Now Arsenal to me UCL this year on 9 so. All the conversations of Arteta no anyade no wasan and want to all of those things will be put behind us. Arteta will automatically enter the conversations of managers who have the potential to rise to the very top at the very highest occasion, a UCL final. And that would be a very nice way to summarize Arsenal's season and to also give them something that history will forever remember them for. In Tienano, Gabi, we will get to the tactical point of view, because that is where a lot of the magic will happen tonight. But look at PSG team, no, last season and this season. Difference no said that not to be brave, except Donnarumma, who left and went to Manchester City. As Sofanov, Ebeshen and Emu. Look at all the other players. Nuno Mendes, William Pacho, Fabian Ruiz. Look at players like Marquinhos, Ousmane Dembele, Kvicha Kvaratskhelia. Look at players like Vitinha. Look at Desiree Doué, Achraf Hakimi, and João Neves. Omwa starting and game now, and it tells you the consistency that they have kept in terms of the squad, in terms of the mentality. There is nothing that you can take away from this PSG team, because the players that have played with themselves for a year are still there, and they are preparing to play another Champions League final. Gabi, now let's look at Arsenal team, because the last memory of Champions League final that they have is when they played it in 2006
against Barcelona.
2-1. Yes. Now in that game, a lot of people are forgetting, say Arsenal for your red card. Jens Lehmann red card was so much. So Arsenal for most of the game played with one man down. But Opia showed that performance, and they would have said, Arsenal started the match so well, but they couldn't finish it off. Look at the players that played in that game. Look at the legends. Robert Perez, Kolo Toure, Emmanuel Leboe, Gilberto Silva, So Campbell. He scored a very brilliant goal, that header. Ashley Komuni now, Thierry Henry, Freddie Youngberg, Alexander Kleb, Fabregas. But this time around, it is going to be a different scenario. Because the kind of team that Arsenal won, the way that they have shaped up themselves for this final, they will also need some of the legends to come and give them that inspiration. Say the last time we won UCL final, no, they had that spirit, they had that verve. And then now we say Thierry Henry, training Budapest for final. Yeah. I saw Thierry Henry there talking to the boys. And I knew for sure, say he will remind them, say, look, we have done this before. We've been at the UCL final before. Yes, we didn't win it, but you are the ones who can win it. And that motivation will be there from the legend. And I am looking at this Arsenal team and I'm saying, say, even if they don't win the UCL, Gabi, even if they don't win the UCL, they will look back and tell themselves, say, we are the ones that after so many years, when people gave up on the team, when people had no confidence in the team, when we were down and we were cast out, people didn't care about us, we managed to bring Arsenal to that level. Yes, they will look at themselves and they will be very proud about their effort in the Champions League this season. Because, shall we just say David Raya? Look at his performance. We'll get to his numbers. Look at the centre back pairing of Gabriel Magalhaes and William Saliba. Look at the unity that they play with. And I'm one person that throughout the whole season, Nameka said, Bayern Munich were one team that played with so much unity. But when I look at Arsenal and I look at PSG as well, in terms of having a united front, both teams have it. Who share the way Omo bonding, the team bond, and now Omo training no more year towards the final. You see some team bonding activities and no more year. It tells you so much about the team. That look, on both sides, it will come down to the very, 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 very slimmest margins to want to say this person can use that as an advantage to beat the other opponent. The final now on the ball, Budapest no. Now, Gabi, look at PSG throughout this season against English opponents. Look at how they have dealt with English opponents this season. Beating more, Arsenal, Chelsea, sorry, dealt with Liverpool as well. And those performances are the performances that people will look at and say, anytime PSG beats their English opponents, they find ways of punishing them. Of course, Chelsea has not been Chelsea this season. Liverpool the same. So it wasn't surprising to say PSG with all the Arsenal and the firepower that they had were able to fire them and beat them so convincingly. But I'm sure I don't know. It will be slightly different over Budapest. The kind of goals they got against Chelsea and Liverpool against Arsenal, I bet in Kakra. It will not be that easy. Now, PSG also agree that in terms of defensive, no, they are not so strong. In fact, out of the 44 goals now watching this season, no, in Champions League, no, we're considered 22. So somebody would have asked, but that's a very weak defense. But one of the reasons why I'm saying, this particular final will be a bit different is because the way I'm ball semi-final our Allianz Arena against Bayern Munich, no. And woman said no defense and solid, sir. But the way they went all attack, all defense, it gave a lot of people something to think about. We will see a different PSG in the final, where it will not be just allowing people to just pass through them and score like we are already seen. To score them on that day, it will require you to even pass through their midfield before you get to their defense. Because the way Omotimi set it up, Vitinha, João Neves, Fabian Ruiz, making sure that the tight spaces you remain tight and they prevent the ball from going through the defense. Gabi, this particular final will be one final that everybody will be looking for it to watch because of how people want to see PSG defend and prevent Arsenal from scoring. But let's talk about PSG for attack. Look at Kivicha. his performance throughout the season. Osha against Monaco, against Chelsea, one assist, share 2 goals. Against Chelsea, Osha another one in the return leg. Scored against Liverpool. Gave an assist in the return leg. Omni by Munich boy Osha 2 goals. Undeniably, there is very little you can do about the performance of Kivicha. And I'll be very happy if Jurrien Timber will start for us now. Why? Because Jurrien Timber, pace for pace, man for man, from 0 to 90th minute, you can trust that Jurrien Timber will battle it out with Aye Kivicha. And it will be very difficult for PSG to find their feet if Kivicha and Jurrien Timber go at it from start of the game to the finish of the game. And I was Arteta because once you have Kivicha in the team, he's an outletter at any point in the game. Once the opponent switches off, na Kivicha nyani day na ball be seen so pe. The way he's electric into the attack, Gabi, I was saying maybe.
And Mikel Arteta confirmed say, "Were you okay?" And the best starting so.
That is why I'm saying, say, let's hope that he will start.
Okay.
Because most of the lineups who are ever wanting at this point, HSM Mosquera Bebo.
Okay, from their coach in the interview.
Interview now.
Oh yeah, and they also Obetimi has started. Yeah.
And that would be a very good one for Arsenal to battle Kivicha. But one of the standout performers for Arsenal is their goalkeeper. Because in times where you really need Raya to step up and make a save, team number say, hey, and your boy if you're not commercial, you will get David Raya to do that. He did it in the Premier League so many times, we saw it. But this is the highest stager. You will need David Raya to be very attentive throughout the game. Because the little part of the whole game for PSG is how you can unexpectedly get them to score. Usman Dembele original 18 box 13 no abono ashe. Desire do same thing. They don't necessarily need to get the ball into the box. Depending on the person obenya ball into the box more Kivicha. But Dembele original obetimi apeja ball no ashe. Itienano, David Raya needs to be very attentive. If David Raya has kept 9 clean sheets with an 89% save rate, now in the final, he loses attention bakupe. Na ball baku sign one. Nobody will remember these things, Ugabi.
Okay.
Nobody will remember these things. So form is good, but when you are in a final of this nature, you have to be very, 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 very attentive. Very attentive to be able to get it. And I like this graphic from 4-3-3-4. The best attack versus the best defense. Into David Ryan and Crawford lay breaks in front of a defense.
When your friend bring it on.
Bring it on. And now PSG phone so you ready omo cannonballs no. I ready omo chese omo be fire bubu war no. And I think it will be very Gabi, let's move straight quickly into the tactics.
Okay, Kakrana.
The tactics. Let's go to tactics. I've already mentioned some already. Yeah. The way I'll bet me about match now. But so we share this lineup ye pan. At least Uyi Ware Zaire Emery Fiwa, you would bring Ashraf Hakimi in. Then when you look up front, Bibia, the Dean, Kivicha, Dembele, Desiree Doué. Now you would realize say Luis Enrique has a very funny way of pressing his opponents. It's a match this 30 year now a bobo no into touch. Now we overload you. Then who throw in no pressure beba beda also. Let's expect some of those things tonight. There are so many times say go kick runner so fun of ebe bobo straight into the opponent's touch line. No more cover ball into a throw in na PSG for no quickly. They surround the Arsenal players and mount a lot of pressure on them. That is what PSG are known for. I'm going to trademark air pressing. So if Arsenal want to counter that pressing, what they need to do is that they need to be very, very cautious. They themselves may not want to sit back the entire game, but they will want to take advantage of moments now in the game. In the end, they say Arsenal, pack the bus. Now, omo train say PSG for be attack omo na transition the bar. How do they make use of those transitions? That is what will make or break this Arsenal team in the final, because the attack of PSG is as strong as you can get it. So expect some member at you, they will come at you from start, they will come at you. But when there's a transition, now born call the opposite angle, then Arsenal will have to take advantage of that very, very well to be able to get the best out of the game. Intuition Arsenal for lineup here. My only problem over here is that Kai Havertz may start ahead of Victor Gyökeres. I would have expected Victor Gyökeres to start ahead of Kai Havertz, and I'll tell you why. Kai Havertz, there are times you're quite slow. While building attack successfully, I won't hear Obia. Obaya will outlet or Betimia head the ball and shame, and also Betimia clinical enough to place the ball at the back of the net. There are times where Kai Havertz becomes very sluggish. Victor Gyökeres, I can bet my last person will say, if Arsenal is on the transition and the ball from either Saka or Leandro Trossard and also whoever will play that side and then get into the box in such a way, say the angle is good enough for Gyökeres to tap in, he's that clinical, he will get it in for you. But if Kai Havertz starts, it means he will be trapped a lot by the PSG defense. Space no net no. It will take him some time before he can do that. But Victor Gyökeres is more clinical in that sense. And I will hope Victor Gyökeres will start ahead of Kai Havertz. Okay. So that even in the second half, if as the game wears on, maybe a Gyökeres then they may want to bring Kai Havertz in to come and finish off the game for them. But I expect everything else to stay except the fact that Jurien Timber should start ahead of Mosquera. So that, but even if there's a risk involved, Gabi, Arsenal need to do everything they need to win this game. So you cannot go into the game without those you know that they can do the deal for you. So get him in there. Mosquera and instant chain. If anything happens the second half and he has to come, but everything else, I expect Arsenal to be able to do the do tonight. Now, Obibeka said, what will be the score line? Or what is my prediction? At this point, it's difficult to call because the game is so close. The margins are so close. But who be Samia? If PSG is able to get a goal within the first 20-30 minutes, Gabi Abedi say Arsenal bet me be winning so much. Arsenal may equalize. Okay. But if PSG gets the first goal in the first 20 to 30 minutes, Abedi kakra. But if the game crosses the first half and there's no goal, Arsenal's confidence will begin to rise in the game. And they will fancy their chance to say, no, we have what it takes to beat Nkrofo. Because PSG, so Obekaya, there's one thing about PSG. They will try to destabilize you in the very early parts of the game. Until maybe a second minute, third minute, fourth minute. And I say within the first 10 minutes, no, I shall back. Now, or the go, no, I destabilize you, then you don't know what to do. But if the game crosses first half, Arsenal for Bekasa, no, we've been here or we've come here and we've crossed first half. PSG have been put the ball in the back of our net. We can beat them. Okay. If you ask me, Gabi, it's too close. Too close. But I think PSG has a slighter advantage or slighter edge because of the fact about last season final. And was about final game. So many things that they'll be very complacent. I don't cry. Another it's an added advantage, an added motivation. Because he said no. Last year, let's kill the game. I think PSG has a slight advantage over us now.
Okay, so Obama prediction
scoreline.
Yeah.
I think it will be a 2-1 in favor of PSG.
I say when Nanka me catch us, what they Arsenal for with the PSG. Start from the beginning and then their matches against English clubs, Yeah. Nanka me catch us about 2-1 with Arsenal. Me I say me dwene won ekipi gusua renge say I say 2-1
Now, Gabi, what to say a prophet be say Arsenal for ebe lose Champions League final.
Uncle von the board there me new.
Yeah, we have person be kan wan say mo.
Jada nyo muni wo.
Sanity. But I think that PSG has a greater advantage coming into the final. Okay. Of course, Arsenal would want to, think about their history, think about what they've done in the past. The nerves for Arsenal will be there.
Okay.
The nerves for Arsenal will be there, but PSG be edgy. pass
Yo.
them.
But I say, I was here, your number one account radio station as we need Egusua. Yadi Agudi Munsam no at the exactly 12.